Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Assam Education Department Grade 3 and Grade 4 Non-Teaching Recruitment 2024. Online apply. Details discuss. Watch till the end. Non-Teaching Recruitment 2024. Post details. 10th, 12th, degree pass post details. Assistant Administration. Number of posts 1. Laboratory Assistant. Number of posts 1. Junior Accountant Administration. Number of posts 2. Upper Division Clerk Administration. Number of posts 1. Lower Division Clerk Administration. Number of posts 6. Multitasking Staff Administration. Number of posts 5. Eligibility criteria of Assam Education Department Non-Teaching Recruitment. Age limit. Assistant Registrar not exceeding 40 years. Assistant Administration not exceeding 35 years. Laboratory Assistant not exceeding 32 years. Junior Accountant Administration not exceeding 32 years. Upper Division Clerk Administration not exceeding 32 years. Lower Division Clerk not exceeding 32 years. Multitasking Staff not exceeding 32 years. Educational qualification. Assistant Administration. A bachelor's degree in any discipline from any recognized institute university. Laboratory Assistant. Bachelor's degree in physics with minimum 2 years of working and maintenance experience of sophisticated scientific instruments in the laboratory. Junior Accountant Administration. Bachelor's degree in any discipline from any university. Upper Division Clerk Administration. Bachelor's degree in any discipline from any recognized institute university. 2 years experience as lower division clerk or equivalent posts in university. Lower division clerk. Bachelor's degree in any discipline from any recognized institute university. Speed in English typing at 35 WPM or speed in Hindi typing at 30 WPM. 35 WPM and 30 WPM correspond to 10,500 kdph, 9,000 kdph on an average of 5 key depressions for each work. Multitasking Staff. 10th pass from a recognized board. Advertisement No. 05/2024. Application fee. A non-refundable application fee of ₹1,000 only for the post of registrar and ₹500 only for the other posts. SC Cent PWD categories are exempted. Mode of payment. Through online bank transfer, for which details are as below. Account name Tezpur University Recurring. Savings bank account No. IFS code. Bank name branch State Bank of India, Tezpur University Branch, Napam, Tezpur 784028, Assam. Applicants must submit copy of the e-generated receipt of the payment along with the hard copy of the application. How to apply for Tezpur University recruitment? Interested and eligible candidates may apply online for these vacancy through online mode by visiting official Tezpur University recruitment portal. Candidates may follow below mentioned steps. Scroll down, go to comment box and description box. Click on the online registration and complete the registration process. In the next stage, click on online application form link and login. Fill your all personal and educational details and upload necessary documents. Make payment of application fee as per your category and submit the form. At the end, take a print out of the application form. After submission of the online application in the portal, a duly signed hard copy, PDF, of the completed applications must be submitted to the Registrar, Tezpur University, Tezpur 784028, Assam along with all necessary enclosures including the proof of submission of application fee and no objection certificate, NOC, wherever applicable, by the last date. The envelope containing the application should be superscribed application for the post of. Name of the post, Advat. Number 05-2024. Important dates of Tezpur University Recruitment 2024. Starting date of submission of online application 28th March 2024. Last date of submission of online application 15th June 2024. Last date of submission of duly signed hard copy of the online application along with supporting documents 25th June 2024. Important web links of Tezpur University vacancy. Available comment box and description box. So, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and share.